Right. So now good morning students. See now what we are going to do is, now this is about area of the triangle. See what I am saying is, for example, you will take a triangle like this. Okay. Say okay, means I want to show this for Heron's formula, this triangle. Now roughly I will write another triangle. For example, you are taking a triangle like this. Let the point A be x1 comma y1, point B be x2 comma y2, and point C be x3 comma y3 in the coordinate plane. Now what will happen, if you want the area of the triangle, you have to take like this. This triangle symbol represents area, remember that. Okay, this triangle symbol represents area. So now area of the triangle formed is half into x1, order you remember, x1 into y2 minus y3, means 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2, like that. Okay, so means if you take a numbers like this, 1, if you take this as 1, then next is 2 3, like that. Okay, if you take 2, then you will come to 3 and 1, like that. And then if you take 3, then you will take, after 3 you will take 1 minus 2, like that. So that order you remember. Okay, so the formula is half into x1 into y2 minus y3, x2 into y3 minus y1, and x3 into y1 minus y2, like that. Okay, that you remember. Otherwise there is another method is also there. The method is, generally if you cannot remember this formula, I will say you a trick. What is that is, you write like this, half, first you write x1 x2 x3 and then again x1 you write, y1 y2 y3 y1 you write. So this what you do now, if you want the area formula, first you have to take left side top one or two, the like this, and then this. So you will get the formula like this, like half into x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus, okay, then next x2 y3, like that you have to continue, plus x2 y3 minus x okay, y2 x3 or x3 y2 you can write. Then next see next you can take like this, x3 y1, and so next is plus, I can rub the triangle also, but we can write, see, x3 y1 minus x1 y3. So in that way, so these if you take, again you will get the same answer. Okay, so it means same value of the area of the triangle formed by these points, you will get it. Now coming to the next, what is Heron's formula is, see, for example, this is a triangle ABC. So the side opposite to A is the length, means the length BC will take it as some small symbol A. It might be 4 centimeter or 5, whatever it is. B is some 5 or 6, whatever it is. Otherwise 6, 7, 8 also you can take. Some number you can take like this, for example. So now if you add actually A plus B plus C, you will get perimeter. But what is half of perimeter? That is semi perimeter. We denote with the symbol S, and that is A plus B plus C by 2. Now area of the triangle formed with, if when the length means here, what is the difference between this formula and that formula is, here vertices points are given. So when points are given, you can find the area like this. If the lengths of the sides are given, then that time you can do this formula. Okay, see, even from the points also, you can, by using distance formula, as I said previously, you can find BC distance like that, AB, AC and all. Again you can use Heron's formula, no problem, but that process will become lengthier. So instead of finding distance here, directly you can use this formula. If you want to come from points to distance and distance to Heron's formula, means it will take long time, that's it. So now see, if already values are given, then use this formula. See, this is semi perimeter, and you can find S minus A. For example, S is 6 plus 7 plus 8 is 21. So 20, what you will get, S minus A, 21 minus A is 6. So 21 minus 6 will be 15. So you have to write here 15, like that. So S is 21. So like that you have to take the values and get the answer. So in that way you can get the area of the triangle formed by Heron's formula. Means we are finding by using Heron's formula. Now slope. For example, you are taking some points x1 comma y1, say A or B or something you take. If you want the slope of the line inclined with x-axis, for example, or here, anyhow this is also parallel to x-axis. So now you have to take like this point y2 minus y1, okay, by, means rise by run, means y2 minus y1. Okay, for example, this is A, this is B, and this is C, for example. So this okay, rise means from B to C, whatever distance is there, by. So for example, this point is x2 and this point is x1. Okay, so rise by run means opposite side by adjacent side. So tan theta formula is that only now. So what is tan theta? Actually tan theta formula is opposite by adjacent. So when you write y2 minus y1, that is nothing but opposite by adjacent only. So here you can find the slope. It is nothing but the rise by run, and what slope we will give is, it will give the angle, the inclination made by the line with respect to x-axis or parallel to x-axis. In that way you can do. And where you will use these formulas is, see, generally to find the area of the triangle you will use it, but this area of the triangle you can use also for proving collinearity. What is the meaning of collinearity is, see, for example, the point A will come and lie on the, okay, it will come close to like this, like this it will come. The point will come close to BC and it will lie on the BC only, means area formed by the triangle will be 0. So whenever you want to prove collinearity, so what you have to do, you have to prove that the area of the triangle by the vertices formed by the triangle will be equal to 0. Why? Because if A is coming down and staying on the point, so you can say it as collinearity. And collinearity you can prove by another formula also, by using slope also. So if the slope of BA is equal to AC like that, or AB is equal to BC, see, numbers you can take anyway, A here you can take and B here and C there, whatever it is, but the slope of that BC and AC and BA and all, if they are equal, they are collinear, like that also you can prove. So collinearity we can prove by these two methods, okay, like that. Now next what I will do is, these are the formulas and all. Next what we will do, on the formulas explained till now in all the videos, what I will do, I will explain the problems. Generally for all the syllabus curriculum I will explain CBSE and SSC what questions are asked in the previous years, okay, and those questions, okay, the level of toughness to reach that level from above the textbook level, I will explain those toughest questions. Few of them I will explain, and more frequent questions which are asked in the exam, if not exactly the methods, values will be changing anyhow, okay, in the exam they will may change the values and give, but method you should learn. So that is the reason the problems, the sums, which methods are coming, those I will explain, okay, most frequently repeated methods, okay, both in CBSE and SSC.